Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried emailing a video through Gmail only to get that frustrating error because the file is too large? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple, foolproof way to send big video files using Gmail on your laptop or desktop computer in 2025. Stick with me till the end because this method not only bypasses Gmail's size limit, but also keeps your video quality intact. So let's get started. First, here's the challenge. Gmail only lets you attach files up to 25 megabytes. Most video files, not especially HD or 4K ones, are much larger than that. The solution is Google Drive, which works seamlessly with Gmail. Step 1. Upload the video to Google Drive. Log into your Google Drive account. On the left, click the New button, then select File Upload. Now choose the video file from your computer. Depending on its size, the upload may take a few minutes, so be patient here. Step 2. Compose your email in Gmail. Open Gmail in another tab and click Compose. This opens a new email window, where you'll add the recipient and message later. Step 3. Insert the video from Google Drive. At the bottom of the email window, you'll see the Google Drive icon. It looks like a little triangle. Click it and a pop-up will show your Drive files. Navigate to My Drive, select the video you just uploaded, and click Add as a Link. So step 4, finalize and send. Now Gmail automatically inserts a clickable Google Drive link into your email. Just add the recipient's email address, type a subject line, and include any message you'd like. Then click Send. Done. And here's why this method works so well. It bypasses Gmail's 25 megabyte attachment limit. Your video doesn't get compressed, so the quality stays the same. The integration between Gmail and Drive makes the whole process smooth and efficient. So next time you need to send a large video file, whether it's a work project, a presentation, or just a family video, this is the way to do it. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more practical tech tips, and check the description for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.